Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove an Audi A4 roof lining. First, for your safety, always disconnect the negative terminal of your car's battery before starting any electrical work. Next, you'll need to remove all 4 grab handles and both sun visors. These are typically held in place by 2 or 3 screws each. After that, carefully unclip and remove the A, B, C, and D pillar trims. Take your time with these to avoid damaging the plastic clips or the trim pieces themselves. Moving on, the next step involves the overhead console. Gently pry this unit down using a plastic trim tool to avoid scratches. Once it's loose, you'll find several electrical connectors attached. Carefully disconnect all of these, ensuring you don't pull on the wires. After the console is completely free, proceed to remove any remaining interior lights and their housing units that are still attached to the roof lining. There are usually 2 or 3 such light units. Now for the main event, detaching the headliner itself. The roof lining is held in place by numerous retaining clips around its perimeter and sometimes in the center. Carefully unclip these, working your way around the entire edge. Double-check that all wiring harnesses, such as those for the sunroof or rear lights, are completely free from the lining. This is a large and flexible panel, so it's highly recommended to have a second person assist you in gently lowering it. With the headliner fully detached, the trickiest part is often getting it out of the car without bending or damaging it. The best approach is to angle it carefully through one of the rear passenger door openings. Once it's out, take a moment to inspect the car's roof for any forgotten clips or stray wiring. When you're ready to reinstall, simply reverse these steps, ensuring all clips engage properly and all electrical connections are secure. Take your time for a professional finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.